Hey y'all, Mama Lisa's back in the kitchen. Shocker. I wanted to share a recipe with y'all for strawberry salsa. It's savory, it's salty and sweet without adding sugar or a lot of salt. So it's a healthy recipe as well, which is kind of rare around here. But anyway, this is really good. So if you want this recipe, grab yourself a pen or pencil, write it down. And I'll try to talk look more slow than I already do. People make fun of me all the time, but that are from the north, they're like, you talk so slow. It's a southern thing. Here's the recipe. 1 bunch of green onions, and you're going to chop those. And you can use, like, I use the whole green onion except for those right there. That. And then I put this in a little jar because I'll use it for something else. There's water in there. Anyway, you can put them in ice water. Excuse me. I've been drinking water. Like, for real, like the smart kind. Anyway, so they say. You can put those green onions, when they come from the grocery store, whatever, wash them. And if you're going to use them anytime soon, stick them down in a mason jar or a glass jar, some kind of jar with ice water. And that'll help kind of crisp them up before you use them for this recipe. But easy, easy, easy. Okay, here we go. I don't even know if I've said that. I've got the Rona brain. 1 bunch of green onions, finely chopped. 6 Roma tomatoes, and you're gonna finely chop those as well. 1 bunch of cilantro, that's to your liking. If you don't like cilantro, you don't have to add it. This is one of those recipes you can really, truly make it your own. 3 tablespoons of olive oil. 1 tablespoon of vinegar. If you don't have vinegar, you could use lime juice or lemon juice. 1 pint of strawberries, coarsely chopped, unsweetened. So I, got the little, what do they call it? I can't even talk these days. Strawberries, I capped them. There we go. Strawberries, I capped them, washed them, and I stored them in the refrigerator. I got them from Strawberry City. They're friends of ours. They farm for a living, and they're really just great people. I don't think they ship those. So anyway, that's where I got my strawberries this time. So thank you to Brent and Sue. I really appreciate it. Also, you're going to add just a teaspoon of salt or a pinch of salt, whatever. And if you don't eat a lot of salt, you can use a substitute or leave it out. But I like them just on a tortilla chip. This is how I eat them. Well, not like that. Hold on. The chip broke off. They are delicious like that. I have also used these strawberries in a fish taco. I've also just eaten it right out of the bowl. And doesn't have anything really bad for you in it. If you want it a little sweeter, you could drizzle some honey on it. You could put sugar on it. I have deep fried tortilla shells before, or burritos, like the flat tortillas. The flour kind, and I've quartered them like with a pizza cutter, and I deep fried them, laid them out when they were hot, right out of the grease, and put cinnamon and sugar on them. And then I've used that as took it to a tailgate. Everybody loved it. This is definitely one of those recipes that you want in your repertoire, because you can put, if you don't have strawberries, you can use peaches, you can use pineapple, whatever. I would recommend using fresh whatever you use, because it's going to make its own kind of juice at the bottom. I made this morning and put it in the refrigerator. So if that's something you like, this is a keeper. Strawberry salsa, y'all, for Mama Lisa's Kitchen. Check it out. See ya.